Hi guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I have another special stock that I'm watching very carefully called StillCanna. And they have some new news today. StillCanna is, take a look at this, at $1.19 in Canada, 105 million shares issued and outstanding, and they just listed today that they are getting an OTC Markets listing. Let's take a look at the news here. Breaking news today: StillCanna Inc, STIL in Canada, Scnnf in America, and in Frankfurt, A2PEWA, is pleased to announce that it is trading on the OTC market under the symbol SCNNF, and its shares are DTC eligible. StillCanna shares are also quoted on the Börse Frankfurt Exchange in Germany under the symbol A2PEWA, in addition to the Canadian Securities Exchange, CSE, under the symbol STIL. StillCanna is refining the future. Trading on the US OTC markets will assist us with increasing our US shareholder base and investor awareness as we complete our transition into producing high-quality CBD isolate from our production centers in Romania and Poland, stated Jason Dussault, Chief Executive Officer, having recently announced a 36 million Canadian supply agreement with a leading US-based producer of CBD-infused products. We look to increase our visibility with both US customers and shareholders alike. DTC eligibility is huge. What is DTC eligibility? It means that you can now deposit your shares. It means now you can buy and sell stock in America, which is going to bring in so many more investors for StillCanna, a company that people really don't know. DTC eligibility means that a public company's securities are able to be deposited through DTC. There it is. DTC stands for Deposit Trust Clearing Corporation. DTC is the largest securities depository in the world and holds over $35 trillion worth of securities on deposit. DTC accepts deposits of securities from its participants only, who are usually clearing firms. Most brokers clear stock in-house or hire a clearing firm to do so on their behalf. All movements of securities are made to the participant's account electronically with book entry adjustments. If an issuer is not DTC eligible, then its shares cannot be transferred between brokerage accounts electronically, which means its shares cannot be traded easily. This is a huge step for StillCanna, still a company that nobody even knows. 105 million shares out at $1.19, and this bad boy's been way lower. Look at this. This bad boy's been way lower. I mean, just look at their chart. They were 19 cents last year. 19 cents. Now they're well over $1 at $1.19. I like this company. Let's just take a look here at this website, StillCanna.com. Let's see what they say here on their site. Let's take a little looky look. Oh, it doesn't want to show? Weird. It's got a link here to their site, little video, but it doesn't want to show the video. I don't know why. It says here, 6% of the world wants to get high. 100% of the world wants to get healthy. StillCanna is committed to providing quality, industry-leading CBD oil for international medicinal use. They are all about CBD, guys. Look at this. What is CBD? Our process, investors. You can break it all down. Look at their latest news. This is their website. This is what they're referring to. StillCanna signs a definitive agreement with Biosciences Enterprise to supply 36 million worth of CBD isolate and implements a 2-stage extraction plan for Poland. This is the news that they were referring to, and this is the news right here. StillCanna signs definitive agreement with Bioscience Enterprise to supply 36 million worth of CBD isolate and implements a 2-stage extraction plan for Poland. This news came out earlier in the week, just a couple days ago, and let's see what they say. We are extremely pleased to formalize our relationship with StillCanna, stated Richard Parker, president of Biosciences Enterprises. Not a day goes by that our firm isn't looking for a company like StillCanna, but finding a knowledgeable seed-to-shelf CBD manufacturer in this young industry is extremely rare. With access to their own biomass and years of extraction expertise, StillCanna makes a perfect partner for us today and into the future. To accelerate its product delivery, the company is implementing a two-stage extraction plan for Poland. Stage 1 will consist of equipment engineered to optimize the production of CBD Isolate, with permitting in place and equipment ordered for Poland. It is anticipated that the initial line will produce and ship isolate Q4 of 2019, allowing the company to begin fulfilling its obligations under the Biosciences Agreement. One of many benefits in our acquisition of Olimax in Poland is its infrastructure, including buildings and existing licenses to extract CBD. By having these licenses in place, Olimax alleviates what could be a lengthy, bureaucratic process to obtain such licenses. The purchase and installation of equipment is not the delaying factor in building an extraction facility in Europe. It's the time required to obtain the many licenses and permits to manufacture CBD, explained Jason Dussault, Chief Executive Officer of StillCanna. The company is ecstatic about being able to hit the ground in Poland running. Stage 2 of the company's extraction plan in Poland is a brand new, ground-up, GMP-certified CBD extraction facility engineered to produce over 80 million grams of CBD per year. Wow. The company has budgeted an initial 8.5 million Canadian for construction and equipment. Completion of Stage 2 in Poland is expected to be completed in 10 to 14 months. Since the company's initial financing in October 28, 2018, it has been focused on the building and completion of its Romanian extraction facility. Originally, the company had anticipated a 12 to 14 month build to be fully operational. The company remains on time and on budget. Over the past 7 months, the company has, let's look at this, secured the physical location, completed all architectural drawings, electrical drawing, and fire plan, updated the architectural drawing to be GMP compliant, ordered, installed, and wired all the equipment required to produce CBD, processed tons of hemp, and have stored tons of flower waiting final processing, purchased and received all laboratory equipment for testing and chromatography, completed construction on a minus 26 degree, 400 square foot walk-in freezer, secured leading chemists and PhDs to oversee production, built GMP-compliant facility including special floors, ceilings, walls, light doors, and ventilation, achieved a major milestone by receiving final approval from Environmental Protection Agency, completed our GMP standard operating procedures. The company's equipment and personnel have been in place in Romania for many months as we anxiously await our final permits to manufacture CBD. The company expects that it will receive all required licenses and permits and be in full production within its original 12-month timeline. The company is waiting for certain approvals, including, but not limited to, the Romanian General Inspectorate for Emergency Situations, a geotechnical report, health ministry approval, and final fire inspection. The company expects to receive all remaining approvals required to be obtained in this normal course of business without complication. The company looks forward to manufacturing and shipping CBD to meet the needs of its current and future partners. The company is also pleased to announce 1.8 million stock options have been granted to certain officers and consultants pursuant to the company's stock option plan. The options are exercisable after 3 months from the grant date for a period of 5 years at a price of $123 per share. I can live with that. That's higher than what the stock is trading right now. About StillCanna Inc. StillCanna Inc. is a Canadian early-stage life sciences company focused on large-scale CBD extraction in Europe. I love it. They're focused on the European market, guys. Yo, what's up, Marshall? The company believes its proprietary intellectual property allows it to extract CBD at a lower cost. The company has signed an initial extraction contract in Europe to be the exclusive extractor for Dragonfly Biosciences LLC, a United Kingdom-based supplier of CBD. The company also recently completed the acquisition of Olumax NTSPZOO, which is expected to increase the company's market share in the European CBD industry. This is the news that is trending and circulating right now about StillCanna. I've never looked at this company before, and they are a freaking giant. They have a potential to be absolutely enormous. Let's take a look at this from Potstock News. Hemp market exploding with major drugstores chains selling topical products in 2,300 stores. Now, the symbol is STIL in Canada, SCNNF in America. It is now DTC eligible. I would not be surprised to see them start trading more heavily in America under the symbol SCNNF, which is now DTC eligible today. Yo, you're checking me out from Vietnam? Mad respect, brother. So, look at this. Discover why StillCanna could hit a 716.8% profit margin, being a first mover in isolate production in Europe. This is huge. So big. One possibility is an under-the-radar Canadian company, StillCanna, that has figured out how to produce hemp isolate for $744 per kg. Wow, that could be a game changer. According to Hemp Benchmark 2019 April report, the wholesale price per kilogram for hemp isolate in the United States was $6,077 per kg. Can you imagine if they can do it for $744? The profit margin is massive, with a production potential estimated at 16,000 kgs in 2019. StillCanna's forecasted production value can be expected to be an impressive USD 97.23 million. Given the exploding demand, the total revenue number could balloon if the supply starts to dwindle and the price increases. Based on those numbers, StillCanna profit margin could be as high as 716.8% based on their breaking news that they have signed a definitive agreement with Biosciences Enterprise to supply 36 million worth of hemp-based isolate and implements a 2-stage extraction plan for Poland. That's the news that has been circulating. And here it is. StillCanna's has signed a contract with UK-based Dragonfly Biosciences, one of the largest hemp retailers in Europe, to be their sole extractor of hemp-based products. The extraction contract between StillCanna and Dragonfly is worth $48 million over the next 3 years. The $36 million only represent 30% of the company's total potential 2019 production, giving StillCanna plenty of room to wholesale to other retailers. StillCanna is investing $6 million in a hemp processing facility in Poland. The facility is initially designed to produce 40,000 kilograms of hemp per year and based on its cultivation of 1,500 hectares. They also recently acquired 100% ownership of Poland-based hemp producer Olumax. Olumax's management has over 40 years of combined experience in industrial hemp, agriculture, and will oversee StillCanna's Polish operations, providing them with invaluable expertise. Add it all up, and StillCanna is primed to be a major player in the massive global hemp marketplace. They also just completed an oversubscribed $24.36 million private placement. I don't know if you guys ever heard of StillCanna, but I'm telling you guys, this has a chance to be a giant. And guess where you're hearing it first? right here from your boy. Once again, we breaking ground and we bringing you something new, okay? Now, I'm not going to go through the whole article. I'm not going to go through their entire website. I just want to put this on your radar. I want to put it on your watch list. Franco Di Paulo is saying, bro, Enthusiast Gaming shares will be bought by J55. For each share of EGLX, you will receive 425 shares of J55 Capital. Yeah, there was big news. I know that Enthusiast Gaming was halted, so I'm not surprised that they have some big news. They are a sleeping giant, and they have the chance to be a big winner. So just going through their website, do your due diligence, do your research. I'd love to know what you guys think about StillCanna, which is now DTC eligible in America today. Do your due diligence, do your research. The symbol in America is SCNNF, and the symbol in Canada is STIL. I'm not telling you guys to go buy the stock, okay? Put it on your watch list, put it on your radar, do your due diligence. I want to know, do you like this stock? Are you watching it? Do you think it's a winner? Do you think it's a loser? Why do you like it? Why do you dislike it? And StillCanna, if you guys are watching, your boy Rich has a facility in Phoenix, Arizona, producing 50 liters a day of CBD oil. If you guys need CBD oil in any capacity, please let me know. I do not have, just so you guys know, I do not have any shares of StillCanna, none. This company is just getting on my radar. They're just getting on my watch list. Obviously, I love CBD companies. I have my own CBD company that I'm working with. This is another company that I would love to work with in some capacity. StillCanna is relatively new on my watch list and on my radar. So I decided I'd bring it to your guys' watch list and put it on your guys' radar because this company is just getting started and they've exploded from 19 cents, as I showed you guys earlier, all the way up to where they are today in Canada at $1.19. So they've had a good run. I'm not suggesting you go and you buy it right away. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live, okay? Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This is a company that I think has huge upside, huge potential. I'm going to continue to research them. I'm going to continue to watch them. If they have any other breaking news or anything that happens, I'll bring it to you guys first. This is just another company that I want to continue to watch and add and put on our radar, okay? I'd love to know what you guys think. I'd love to know if you guys think that this has a chance to be a winner. I'm going to continue to read about them. I'm going to continue to do my due diligence. But please, if you guys like this video, smash the like button, share the video everywhere, and remember, if I win and you win, we all win. It's true. So why not hit that like button? Why not share this video? And why not take a look at StillCanna, still relatively new, still just getting started, only around 105 million shares issued and outstanding at $1.19 in the CBD space. And I say they have so much potential. All right, guys, I'm going to go back to doing my due diligence. I got to do more research. And yeah, I mean, look at this. If 2020's harvest is grown as planned, and if the price of hemp isolate remains steady, revenue could potentially exceed $197 million in 2020. And this is a $1 stock. Let's just say it's a gift from your boy Rich. Okay, guys. Have a great day. Remember, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. It's true. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, bringing you StillCanna, a CBD potential giant that is now DTC eligible in America, SCNNF and STIL in Canada. Put it on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace.